Hey y'all, welcome to Bork Falls in Goreville, Illinois. Come here, baby frog, y'all. Oh. You see it? It's a spider web. A really gross spider. It's full of spider webs. Maybe we'll find that waterfall yet. If you like Pierre Marquette hiking, you will like this. There's spider. Is there? But look at what you get to look at when you make it uphill. It's all worth it. Beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. To get away from the city, come out here. You'll really enjoy it. Everybody, I found some water. I have to go play in it. Come on. Let's go see if we can find another water hole to play in. And then once you're done playing in the water, you get to come out and view this beautiful rock.